A pleasant day, everyone. I'm excited to share with you my experiences and the key activities I participated during my internship at Maestro Construction Company. Over the past weeks, I had the opportunity to engage in a variety of tasks that offered valuable insights into the construction industry. Throughout this presentation, I will walk you through the various projects and activities I was involved in, from site inspections and material estimations to hands-on experiences and learning moments with industry professionals. I hope this presentation provides you with a clear pictures of the practical skills and knowledge I gained during my time with the company. My internship here at Maestro Construction Company started on June 3, 2024, located at Marbella Street in Barangay San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna, and have finished last July 25, 2024. Maestro Construction renowned for its expertise in management and engineering works. Under the leadership of Engineer John Romel Macabulos, the company founded in 2016 has built a strong reputation for delivering high-quality services with emphasis on safety and excellence. Here are some of the residential projects that has been built by Maestro Construction Company. It includes the Huguan Residence, the Balse Residence, the Bermejo Residence, Canto Apartment and the Canto Residence, Uy Residence, Pereya and Santiago Residence, Batak Residence, and Ducaco Residence, De Los Reyes Residence, Tejada Residence, Ola Residence, Bernardo Residence, and Bongon Residence, and many more. During our OJT, we have visited and estimated some of their ongoing projects this year. It includes the Hope Project, Ibunada Project, Balyon, Crisostomo, Labado, Carrion, and the Cortez projects. Engineer John Romel Macabulos, the president of the company, founded in 2016, upholds the company's stellar reputation for delivering exceptional design and construction on every project, ensuring no compromise on quality and safety. Engineer Romel, who holds a BS in Civil Engineering from the Mapua Institute of Technology and passed the Civil Engineering Licensure exam in 2011, began his career as project engineer or project in charge at Mega World Corporation last 2012 to 2016. He's working on high-rise condominiums in Metro Manila. His extensive experience in leadership and comprehensive construction management is pivotal to all Maestro Construction's project, where he is actively involved from planning through completion. The firm's excellent performance and increasing number of satisfied customers reflect his enduring commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Maestro Construction was established with a strong and clear goal of offering top-notch engineering services. These services are specifically designed to cater to the varied requirements of residential clients, not just in Metro Manila, but also in other provinces. The company's journey is rooted in more than 10 years of experience in the construction industry, which has allowed it to grow and adapt over time. Maestro Construction takes pride in tackling challenges projects which have honed its skills in providing comprehensive design-build solutions and effective project management. During my first week as an intern here at Maestro Construction Company, I attended an OJT orientation with Engineer Romel where we signed the OJT agreement and delved into project estimations. Under Engineer Romel's expert guidance, we explored the intricacies of estimating project costs and timelines, bridging theoretical knowledge with real-world applications. His insights highlighted the importance of meticulous planning and accurate forecasting in engineering projects, deepening our understanding of the profession's demands. We also utilize Excel to create precise estimation templates for the Jewardena and Cortez projects, meticulously calculating materials such as CHB, rebar quantities for footings, columns, and beams, and estimating mortar and plastering needs. By the end of the week, we made necessary adjustments and successfully completed our task, gaining practical skills and essential for our future engineering careers. On my second week, we continued to focus on project estimations. We computed the quantities of horizontal and vertical rebars required, along with the weight of tie wires needed for the project, which is the Cortez project. Additionally, we revised some of our previous estimates to ensure accuracy. We also organized and consolidated the documents for HO, Carrion, and Chrysostome projects into a single folder for better management. We also calculated the total floor area and perimeter of each room of the Cortez project, which facilitated more precise estimates for tiles and paint. By the end of the week, we completed the estimations for floor and wall tiles, painting, and ceiling, and created a summary table to simplify data presentation and identification. In my third week at Maestro Construction, Engineer Arvin reviewed our partial estimations and pointed out several computational errors, which we promptly corrected. He also shared advanced Excel techniques to enhance our estimation and computation efficiency. Additionally, Engineer Romel took us to the Labado project located in Silang, Cavite. There, he monitored our progress and provided valuable on-site lessons. I observed the actual construction process, including the connection of tie beams to columns, proper splicing, installation of crank bars for reinforcement, and the use of coco lumber as a slab support. I also witnessed concrete pouring, verified that the work adhered to the plan, and marked cylinders for testing. By the end of the week, we completed the plastering estimations of the project and calculated the wall areas for each floor. In my fourth week as an intern, we finalized the ceiling estimation for the Cortez project, calculating material quantities and summarizing the data. We also visited the HO project site in San Pedro, Laguna with engineer Arvin and architect Nicole to gather measurements for potential renovations. Engineer Arvin taught us slab estimation techniques, including components and reinforcement bars, which we applied to our task. Additionally, Engineer Romel guided us through interpreting electrical plans, including power distribution and lighting arrangements, and introduced us to the guaranteed fixed quantities or the GFQ for budget tracking. We used this knowledge to create the GFQ and verify electrical fixtures at the HO project. In my fifth week, Engineer Romel reviewed the progress of the HO, Carrion, Madrid, and Hibionada projects and assigned us the tasks, including creating as-built, documents, and project booklets. We visited the HO project site to check the placement of electrical fixtures and develop a booklet for the Hibionada project listing materials like tiles and doors. We revisited the HO site to finalize counts on light panels and outlets, then inspected the Cortez and Balyon projects at the Cavite, noting the roofing and ongoing surveys. Lastly, I reviewed the electrical plan for the Hibionada projects to prepare for an as-built documentation. In my sixth week, we completed the roofing material estimate using the CAD and Excel. With addition to that, Engineer Romel then assigned us to a daily inspections to the HO project for monitoring progress. We visited the Hibionada project in Los Baños, Laguna to compare the original plans with actual construction, inspecting plumbing fixtures, doors, and windows. Starting this week, we began as well the daily checks at the HO project to oversee ceiling installation and update room completion status, while also documenting discrepancies and estimating angle bars for the Labado project's roofing. During my seventh week at the Maestro Construction Company, we conducted regular inspections at the HO project and attended a company meeting where Engineer Romel reviewed our progress and assigned new tasks, including creating a bill of quantities. Accompanied by Engineer Romel, We also visited the Crisostomo project in Dasmariñas, Cavite to observe rebar installation for the suspended slab and the setup of beams, gaining deeper insight into structural implementation. In our final week at the Maestro construction, we completed backtracking for the Hibunada project and updated our Excel sheets for this and to the another ongoing project. We also plotted Engineers Dante's drawing in AutoCAD with the assistance of Architect Nicole. In the next day, we visited the HOP project, noting that ceiling work was nearly finished and skim coating had been applied in the master's bedroom. In the afternoon, we accompanied by Architect Nicole to Wilcon Depot in Santa Rosa to select paint for samples. I learned that semi-gloss paint is best for interiors, while elastomeric paint is ideal for exteriors due to its durability and weather resistance. Maestro Construction Company offers a comprehensive range of services that cater to residential needs, from initial design concepts to the final touches of construction. The company emphasizes collaboration and client involvement by integrating conventional practices with innovation construction techniques. Maestro Construction ensures that each project reaches its maximum potential in quality and functionality. And here are the contact information of Maestro Construction Company where you can find them or reach out. And that was my presentation. I hope that you have been enlightened on my experiences of my on-the-job training at the Maestro Construction Company. Thank you for listening. Stay safe.